क्षणं वाञ्छिताखिल सौख्य पोषणं वारणाननं वरदे क्षणं वाञ्छिताखिल सौख्य पोषणं विनिदतो कुलपोषितं सुरपवन पुरभूषित चरणं विनिततोषितं कुलपोषितं चरणं गणतोदेवं विनायकं गणनायकं शुभविनायकं गणतो देवं
नंदाय विघ्न विनाशिने शिवसुदाय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः।
परमाचार्याय परिपूर्ण कटाक्षदिध्यर्थम आदिशंकर प्रसाददिध्यर्थम कामाक्षी प्रसाददिध्यर्थम आदिशेष प्रसाददिध्यर्थम श्री महाविष्णवे नमः। वाराणसी विश्वनाथ स्वामी सन्निधौ सर्वाभीष्टदिध्यर्थम एतच्छतपर्यन्तं तदङ्गं विश्वनाथदेवाः लिङ्गातरङ्गरमणीय भज
नमामि कविं कवीनामोमस्रवस्तम ईश्वराय ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पदान शृण्वन्नो दिविसीदसादनम् ॐ श्री श्रीदेवाय शुभनामयत
अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। स्थावरं यद्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां विषये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ कामाक्षी नमः। विश्वं दत्तनगरी तुल्यं दुजां कर्तनं यन्नात्मनि आजयावगिरिवोत्सौसर्यकानिद्रया यस्साक्षात् कुरुते प्रबोधतमज स्वात्मानमेवात्मजं तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः। श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये ॐ महादेवे नमः। गोविन्द बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो ओम शिवाय नमः। ओम शिवलिंगाय नमः। ओम ज्वलाय नमः। ओम जवलिंगाय नमः। ओम आत्माय नमः।
ओम आत्मलिंगाय नमः।
ओम परमाय नमः।
ओम परमलिंगाय नमः।
ओम
स्थापयति पाणिमन्त्रं पवित्रम्।
गणपते परिपूर्ण வாழ்வருள்வாயே प्रभु गणपते गणपते पार वार वर परम भाग भवदना पार्वती बाल पार वार वर परम भगव भवदना भक्त जन सुमुख प्रणव विनायक पवन परिमल चरण भक्त जन सुमुख प्रणव विनायक पवन परिमल चरण
हर हर नम पार्वती पतये
हर हर महादेव
खण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः स्थावरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः Everybody knows, all of you can see, this is the place. We bought it for all the murtis which we have. Everybody knows. I was running Shiva temple in Etobicoke, 80 Bride and Drive. I started 1990. Nobody knows. That time only I know. Paul was with me. Not only today he is with me. He was there all along since 1987. Give him a big hand. You know what he said last week? Balaji, not only now I will be with you, 100% behind you, whenever you need me help, but that truck is his now. He is the only one driving, nobody can reach the pedal. I can go in now. That is too high. So what's happening? We came here every weekend. We were working, not only him. I saw him one day. After that, I am calling him, but he is not responding again. Girish came one day, Mahesh came one day, but I called him only one day. So you have to call him more often. So I am going to give the key to them because we don't have any key right now to give it to him now. So we will give him the key. And then, what we want to do? We want to do so many things here. Since 1986, we were doing a hard work, but what happened, it so happened, I got all the murtis back with me, the temple is gone. And then when all the murtis were out on the floor, parking lot, only one person went. He saw all the murtis. That was Vijnana Suruj. You can see him. Raise your hand, they can see you. He closed with all the plastic sheet and everything. He came to me, Balaji, they put all the murtis. Everything is in the parking lot. Nobody knows. See, this is, I don't scare to tell anybody because this is the fact. This is what happened. We have all the things, everything in my hand. So he came to my house. I was making the framing and everything to fix the basement to teach the classes. And then he saw the framing. Balaji, you only do chanting, don't do these things, let me finish the basement. He did it free, so I can teach all the students. So I was so happy until today. They are coming and learning. They did a great job. He did comfortable place to do that. Give him a big hand. I'm going to ask him to support here. Whenever we ask him to do, we are not going to pay him because we don't have the money. We only have it. We don't have the money. So he is going to support us. Not him only. Another person who was with me when I was running the Shiva Mandir over there, 205 Champagne Drive, Unit 1. Prem was with me. Look at him there. Everybody knows him. I didn't tell all of you. Everybody knows him. He was working very hard in only Atirudram. No. He was there with us. He was supporting. He was taking care of accounting and everything else. So, I don't see Murali Saab yet.
Yeah, they didn't come.
They're coming on the way.
Which is a good sign.
Oh, he just started?
They're on the way.
பழம் பறிச்சுட்டு வராரா அவர்.
So, now it so happened, Murali sir, myself, we were running all over the places, so many places, look for the place and everything. We didn't get the zoning or any other thing. This is the only one place we got the zoning, which we have now. We went to the city, one group of firm, they did it. We were happy, we can go next step. Before we bought this place for $200,000. From Atirudram, as well you can see Dr. Saab right here. See him here. Dr. Sayuja Devan. With his help,
Rajan.
we paid $100,000. After that, only $100,000 we can close the deal. Mr. and Mrs. Kiran, they give $100,000, they lend it to us. Where is he? I can't see you. I can see only here. Where are you?
Kiran.
Oh, come together with your wife. And then he accepted the mortgage. He gave us the mortgage. He took over from that. Whatever he did it. That was a great job to bought this place. Now we want to make this place exactly like Rameshwaram, as well Varanasi and Gaya. It's going to combine because of why I came up with this idea. You can see everywhere sand is here. Wherever the sand is there, that's where you can have Rameshwaram. Other places you cannot have.
முன்னாடி பார்த்துக்கோங்க.
So, everywhere when you go in, you can see sand only here. So, which is the right place. We have a pond as well. 2 big ponds. We are going to make it one. So, we will have all the facilities to do Kshetra Pindam. See, we have to remember something. We came to the world. We always have an idea. We want to do so many things. But, Edilal Kutrambol Tan Kutram Kanbin Thidindo Mannum Virki. So, what happened? We always look at other people. Talk about other people. Say about other people. Create a story about other people. But what it says, Aham Rakshasya Redivam Kirti Prashtam Girerivam Urdha Pavitro Bhajivi Basvamrutamasmi. We cannot make our mind pavitram, clean, shuddham. Because of why? We are very long way, very far away we are standing. But only one question we came up here in this world. Everybody have to remember, doesn't matter what we do. All other things are all, it's good to have, but that is not everything. There is something more than that, which is, we have to find who am I? Who am I? This is the only one question we have. Who am I? Rajan was saying, I told him, Aham Brahmasmi, he said it. I had to ask him to sit here and then. Where are you, boy? But But he didn't understand what is Aham Brahmasmi. You know what you have to do for Aham Brahmasmi? The only one realized we here. No, we Raju, come over here. He told me Aham Brahmasmi. You know what is the real meaning of it? Ask your wife to come near to you, I'll tell you. Get a small chair, both of you sit. I will give you all the paper, you can sign up everything. Don't go home, you have to sit here. Aham Brahmasmi, you have to be detached from everything, no more attached. That's what called Aham Brahmasmi. That's why I told you, I will tell you when the time comes. So don't say it again, huh? But don't forget to write a check for today. So, I'm happy how many people you want to say that you know what I mean. So that's what you have to do. We are not ready for that. But we have to remember that we have to have something beyond everything. We need a place where we can have these kind of services. You don't have anywhere, you can put Kshetra Pindam in Canada. I would like to make it. You saw the picture in front? We had it only small one. We didn't have much time because we don't have much volunteer yet. We need more volunteers. We need more people to bring us from there to here because when we drive, we want to sleep here. Paul said, Balaji, you made it nicely. We can have a nice sleep here and have a lunch and everything and then go back again. We can't do, we have to work here. We need a people to come with us and give us a hand and a help. So, there are so many people are working very hard. He is here, he always send the message and everything, Veda Shastra, Cultural Sabha, but we have to do that, we have to work. Not sending the things, that doesn't help, we have to come up with it. Everybody should organize something. One person cannot do it. Do you know how tired I am when I reach home? You won't even believe I take 5 times insulin, still I am working here, you know. We came last week, we were working morning to until evening. We finished everything. You saw the place and clean and everything. Because of only handful of people are working. We need volunteers, whoever can drive us here and then we can do it. Now I will come to the point. Last week I got a check from, I don't have a glass, but I do remember, I'll tell you.
You know, Mama?
Probably this glass will give me 1 0 less. Let me
give 1 0 more.
I would like to let you know, since Ati Rudram, one person is working hard for financial things. She is responsible to build this. Doesn't matter what happened. The Swarna Lakshmi right here, Mr. and Mrs. Bapsi Ravi, she gave $5,000. She gave $5,000. I went and knocked the door. She didn't know I was in front, but they know very well how I ring the bell. They have an idea. Balaji is in front. Because I don't want to make them scared. They should have some sort of idea who is in front of the house. And then I went. So long I am asking them to come, functions and everything. They don't come. But finally I went their house. Yes, they know who I am talking to. Vidya Sudhakar, they gave $2,000. You know, we need more help. We want to start to get the permit for foundation permit separately. They're supposed to be here. Architect, I don't know, architect, he has some busy schedule, he could not make it. But Dr. Vijay Saab, he is supposed to be here. Everybody knows about Dr. Vijay. Since 2012, Maharudram, we didn't have any single cent in our hand. He gave us $11,000. Everybody remember Mahesh? Yes. Mahadevan was here. Yeah. We didn't have any single cent. $11,000 he gave us. And then Atirudram he gave us, I didn't remember, I think $21,000 first Atirudram. No, next one. First Atirudram he gave us $21,000. And then second Atirudram, $33,000 check. And then he gave us $10,000 cash, something Mahadevan, he knows very well. You know, we have to ask Paramatma to bless Mahadevan Atma to rest in peace. That's the only one thing we can do, because up to him, he is the one have to look after everybody in the world. At the same time, 2 minutes I am going to say the shlokas. I would like all of you to do prarthana. These kind of hard times, so many people went, they didn't get any kind of karma. Nobody can get to do any karma. Only municipality was burning, municipality was doing everything else. They could not even see the body. Whoever is sick, whoever gone like that, whoever is going through this hard time, their family is broken. I would like all of you to do prarthana before I am going to ask you money. That's the important point which we have to do that. I would like all of you to fold your hand and prarthana to him. He is the one responsible for us. Everybody should feel this is the purpose we bought this one. Ragadi dosharahitam swajanuna raga vairagya shanti nilayam girija sahajam madhurya dhairyat Subhagam Garadabhidamam Varanasi Purapatim Bhaja Vishwanatham Antakale Chamabaiva Spuram Mukva Kalevaram Yaf Prajati Samat Bhavam Yati Nastyatra Samshayaha Atmatvam Girijamati Sahachara Prana Shariram Griham Pujate Pishajopabhoga Rachana Nidra Samadhisthitihi Sancharav Padajov Pradakshina Vidhi Stotrani Sarvagiro Yat yat karna karopi tattadakhilam Shambho tabaradhanam Hara Hara Parvati Pataje
Hara Hara Mahadeva
Bola Vrindavana Vihara Lala Ki
Jai.
And then another person who worked very hard, always. He is neat work as well. He is looked like a Singapore guy today. I didn't even see him like this kind of glass. Look at the sunglass. He came from Singapore, look like. He is also help us to work all the time. Oh, they got 2 glasses.
Double glasses.
Another person is working in airport. Whenever he tired, I have to work night shift, he says. So I don't bother him, but still, whenever he comes, he works. He is good for fixing the small machine and everything. I told him to learn. You have to get a big machine by, you have to learn how to fix those things, you know. That is Rabindranath.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't tell me you have a night shift anymore, you know. You don't. I will come and you give me your address, I will come and check it. No problem. So maybe so we need more help. We need more help. All the queen is here now. Give them a big hand. The success, you can see it today. The group is chanting without they allow If they tell them we have to go to Florida, they have to go, they can't come to the class. If they say they have to go to Home Depot, they can't come to the class. Why are you going again and again learning the Vedas? They didn't say, I want you to go and learn the Vedas, we can rest a little bit more. You know what I mean? So, you have to give them a big hand. They allow them to learn properly. They allow them to learn properly, which is very good.
That is the hidden purpose.
You know what I mean? And then they have so many work to do. They left their children. They are not being with them. If they come to learn, almost half a day finished. Half a day almost finished because they are seeing everybody. They are getting little tuned up. They talk to everybody, each other nicely. Half a day finished. But they still come and learn every Sunday properly. Now all the queen have to give big clap for them. Now you have to say, ho, ho. இப்பதான் ஓ போடணுமா இதுதானே பெஸ்ட் சாம்பார்
ராத்திரிக்கு வேணுமா?
எதுக்கு அனுப்புறான்னு தெரிஞ்சு
ஆமா.
I have to have a class here, lady. Otherwise, they can't send that because I need a big stove for that. I'm happy to do it. Another thing, architect. Listen to me carefully. Architect will look at the building and he will say, "Oh, this building can be this way. That building can be this way." But who is singing? Oh, he can sing a little bit better than this way or other way, or he is singing so good. When you see the hair cutting boy, he will say, oh, I can make it like this. You want this one? Oh, it can be better this way. Soccer player, he is going to look at the group. Oh, if they play this way, he could have been successful to win a goal. But we are all in spiritual industry now. What we have to do? When you are in spiritual, we have to look after the dharma properly to bring it up. So we can look after the dharma properly to have everything for us to enjoy, to find who am I? Who am I? Ajatam naiva grinhati mrityor bibheshayan moodha bhitam vanchit kinyamaha. See, think about it properly. I do not want to explain the Garuda Puran, otherwise you don't want to learn anything. What is the real meaning of it? You have to understand properly. Every step has something. Every second, whatever we do, if we get 100 years for this generation, 1 year finish, only 99 left. We cannot claim back again 100 years. If the chair or anything got broken, you can call them, you can give them a serial number, you can get it back. Object can be done, ordering it, but not a soul. So we have to remember that Davanalam Marana Shoka Jaratavinam. Jananam to Maranam, birth to death. We have only little time left. We should try to do best for ourselves what we need. See, everybody always think, oh, when you say Mokshatvam, they scare. They are going to go. Mokshatvam is always great. Nobody understands. But think about it. I'll give you one idea. I have to tell you this one piece from Garuda Puran. We are here today. When we are gone, what we are going to do again? We come back again. We grow, and then we get married. We will have a children. Again we do the same thing again and again. And then you have to go through Sukham, Dukkham, Papam, Punyam, Daridram, Shatru, Mitram, all those things you have to go through that again. So what Garuda Puran says, again and again we are going to do samskaras. But it's a good thing, when we come back next generation, we do not remember what we had it before. Otherwise we will go and knock our previous home and then you go to the TD bank and press your password. Oh my God, all the money they took it, somebody took it, none who took it. So these kind, see, that's why Bhagavan did not allow to have a wisdom unless we reach that level. Once we get wisdom, even though we know that is the person we used to be, our mind is very clear. We have a light. That light will help us to go through moksha. That's the purpose. We are working very hard this place. I would like to see it like Rameshwaram combined with Varanasi and Gaya. We are not going to have a standing Venkateshwara. Adishesha we are going to have. I already hand over Adishesha to Kiran hand. Give him a big hand. He is responsible for that. I do not know how many people he is going to line up for that. Adishesha, he has to take care of that. We need that guy. Kiran Sahib, I am saying, I am not hearing from you. Lakshmi ji, right? Silence is that. You want to say something about Adishesha? So, all of you I know everybody is working very hard. Everybody is working very hard. Everybody is going through hard time. But everybody have to remember, we have to keep up that dharma, which is very good. This is the only one thing is going to give us back again. Doesn't matter how many generations we go through, it will follow. But always have to remember, when Atma is there, everybody will call our name. When Atma is not there, becoming object. Suddenly they don't call Balakrishna Sarthikal, they ask, where is the body? If they have any viewing, this is what they will say. They are not going to say Balakrishna Sarthikal. Within a second the name change, everything will change. That's why I am telling you, everybody should know what is the reason behind it. You have to know what is the important things in our life. We have to find who am I. We have to work towards that. Everything is fine, of course. You have to look after your family. You have to look after your children. You have to look after your husband. Everything is perfect. But there is something more than that which we need to work for it. Brahmavit Braham Hano Havihi. The Brahma Vidyai. Brahma Vidya it says. You understand? That is very, very important to have that. I am so happy, even though Kali Yuga is here, still handful of people ready to learn properly to do the service to the world. Not only one place they are doing, they are ready to do everywhere. But next generation we have to prepare all the Ish, Dinesh, Girish, Ramesh, Mahesh, all the Ish, Kiran. Don't laugh, you are telling me to tell you too. So everybody, all the younger people should start slowly to work towards this. That is the way we can see the success. Otherwise we cannot see the success. Please, whatever you can do, as much as you can. We need a help from you now. Once it's reached some level, it will generate itself. Presently, until you can see the building, we need a help. That's why we want to show you the place. As soon as I finish, you can have a sandwich. I will tell you when it's finished. Don't run right away. So we need all the help. Those, whoever can give donations, you will get the tax receipt. I will hand over to Mother Swarna Lakshmi. No, the Gurukula. Make everybody to work more harder. Atirudram, how everybody Shekhar and all those people and everybody was working to here. Uma Venkatrama. Everybody was working. Same way I want to see everybody over here as well to do work. Ama. I would like ladies to make one round there. Hare Hare Namo Parvati Pataye. I am going to ask him the price, whatever we need to get it done here to make the level everywhere. You have to go and look at everything. No, I want you to go with somebody. So Rabindranath, you take them around. Make sure take the picture and their phone number. I will talk to him. I want you to give me the price to level this place. How much it will cost? I thought you were going to do free. That's why I called you. You know that. Okay.
I have to look at it.
Thank you. What's your name?
Camera.
And this is Ravindra. Take him everywhere. Show him this place. He has to do level first. How much he will cost? How much he will ask for that? And then we'll go from there. Okay? No problem. Okay. So he is responsible for it. Hare Hare Namo Parvati Pataye.
Hare Hare Mahadeva.
Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva. Tvameva Bandhu cha Sakha Tvameva. Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva. Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Ya Devi Tattva Bhuteshu Dayarupena Samsthita. Namastasyai 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 Namo Namah. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. I forgot to tell you, Dr. Saab came late. Everybody knows. I didn't see his wife. Oh, she's right there. Don't hide it. So I'm happy to see all of you. This is the place. I already told them whatever I have to say. You are not here. You know what I mean. So we need all, Dr. Saab, we need all the help, whatever you can do as well. I didn't see the architect. He was the one going to bring the architect. He could not come today. Something came up for him, whatever it is. So we need all the help, those whoever can help. Again, I'm saying one more time, whoever can help, please do so. I'm going to ask Swaminathan Sir to say a few words. Yongo.
As Guruji has explained, this is kind of what to say. I have been with him all this time, and going through with him. Going through with him. The point is, I did not know how it's going to come, what is going to happen, whether this is the thing and all the things. Because you know, in this part of the world, we have to have a lot of permissions and things like that. So Guruji was very, very particular about lot of things, and it also should be something which we can afford or reach something. That sort of so in that sort of situation, but it was Guruji's total guidance and Lord Shiva's and our Gurunatha's Paripurna Vadaksham, we were able to identify this, and then it suited our needs, and we had timely support from many people. As Guruji was mentioning by name, I would say our whole group involved in doing this, and that is what we are going to do it. It's not that those Guruji says you should do. We are going to do that. That's what I'm talking for all of you guys. We are really doing it, and it is not just for us. We may see the full effect or not, but it is not just imagine whether we are going to be here or not. Shivji is going to be there for the future generations, and with the world going the way it is today, it is going to be some kind of an anchor for the generations which is going to come, and guide them through the proper path. Otherwise, it's Kali, and you have all sorts of only problems coming against us. So this should be one of the beacons for all of us or the future generations. So with that in our mind, we are investing for the future. Of course, in between, we also enjoy the benefits of the blessings and other things. But it is a chance. It's a chance which not everybody gets. I'm telling you, it is to build a temple. It is something. It comes in many janmas only. It doesn't come so easily. So this we can make use of, and let us join and do. We have been doing it, and we are going to do it. Let us do it. That's what I would say. Thank you very much. Thank you.
How you found it? How you found it after a long time?
No, this has been, we have been looking around for more than 4-5 years actually. So right from the, we have been, Guruji was saying about, right in the 2012 Maharudram time itself, we have been thinking about a place. But everything is two reasons. One is it should allow construction of a temple. That zoning issue is there. And second thing is that it should be within our reach, at least to buy the land, because without the land nothing can be talked about. And third thing is everything is the timing, that's all, and or involvement of people. Probably in 2012 we were a little smaller group, so Shivji was wanting to wait for all of us to join together, and now I think he decided that should be the time we should have it done. That's what I would say. Otherwise, this Muskoka area is kind of one of the costlier people area, you know that. It's nothing is, the people around are always, I hear that kings and other film stars are living in this area. So anyway, we have got to bring a temple to this location, and it should be the proximity to our cities should also be there. So these are all the points which Guruji was very particular about, and I think that's this properly has come for us. Thank you for all of your cooperation.
I have a question. So how is this all going to be playing out? Because you have a high-level map on when are we going to do this, and what is our timeline here?
The timeline ma padanda.
Yes.
As long as
Mama, I'll tell you because this is really good, right?
timeline means first we have to go for the next step to get a proper approval of building. You can build it here.
Okay.
So they allow us for zoning.
Okay.
So next level we have to go, and then we can go for foundation permit. That time we will know how long it will take.
Right. Before that, Anna, there should be some idea of what are we going to do. This is really
Okay, it is going to be
to me, I'm still not sure, right? Like, this is the first time I'm hearing this. I'm sure everybody has this in mind. Because for my son, right? Like, we can have this as a place. So I just want to see what are we going into. It could be 5 years, 10 years, it doesn't matter.
Okay. What we are going to do, here we will have a yoga, meditation, Bharatanatyam, Sangeetam. That's why we have the place called name Veda Shastra Cultural Sabha. Everything will be included. As well, we are going to have same like Rameshwaram. Have you been to Rameshwaram? Yes. Same way we are going to have a making lingam from the sand. They do the pujas and pindas and everything else. Whoever can come, it's like going to be like a kshetra pindam. They can do. As well, Varanasi, same like what you saw in Gaya, Vishnu Padam. They can put all the pindas, that Vishnu Padam, they will have that service as well. Of course, every Pradosham we will have Ekadasha Rudram, every Vaikuntha Ekasi we will have a Vaishnava priest, we will have everything in large scale. But when we are ready, these are all those things we are going to do. But presently, in my idea, it will cost at least foundation purpose, it will cost us $500,000. From that, after that, if you go for another $5 million to finish this. But we will put as much as foundation and everything. After that, these young people have to take over this to look after it properly. But we are not going to be there forever, you know that. So as long as whatever we can do, we will try to do. If we can build it, if we get lot of money, we will build it, no problem. Right away we can start. But we need all the help for the time being to finish, pay off the mortgage and everything. So which we need a help right now to start and stand properly. We are like a baby 1 year old, that's the position we are. We are still struggling for walking. So we have to walk properly. So you have to make us to walk properly. We don't want a stick in our hand. So before we get the stick, we can finish this project. That's the things we need.
To answer your question, it should be around 5 to 10 years as
ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா
mentioned.
ரோட் மேப் இல்லக்கா, இப்போதைக்கு என்ன டைமிங்ஸ்னு இல்ல லட்சுமி அக்கா. ஸோ ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப்பா போயிட்டு இருக்கா, பேபி ஸ்டெப்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கா. எகெயின் பஞ்ச் இஸ் த மெயின் பேக்ரவுண்டா இருக்கு. அண்ட் so இப்போதைக்கு first thing is the foundation people have come here, so we are not sure how much it is going to cost and how much it is going to take time as well. So உங்களோட ரோட் மேப் அடுத்து கேட்டானா we don't have anything for now.
I'm not asking for road map, right? I'm just trying to see what is our big vision.
Yeah,
right? Someday you establish your road map or whatever it is.
இப்ப
I'm
நான்
not being
சொன்னது
technical here.
It's good.
நான் சொன்னது புரிஞ்சுதா உங்களுக்கு? அது அதுதானே கேட்டீங்க நீங்க? அதுதானே கேட்டீங்க.
Look at the vision. What is vision 2025, 2030 or whatever. I just want to see what is in it.
Of course. But you will get the proper things as soon as we get the things approval to go ahead everything. Foundation time, you will see the map as well. The building will make it nicely. The architect will make it. We will put it in front of all of you. You can see that one as well.